Hey, how you doing? In this video, I'll talk about a special kind of photography which you might have seen is on Instagram or on Facebook or on YouTube. Anywhere you might have seen this photo, and this photo looks very magical, very soothing to the eye. So this photo is this. Here it is. So you might have seen this photo somewhere, and you would have thought that how that person has clicked this photo, whether it is post processing in editing part they do something, or there is some magic what they do, what especially people do, a photographer do behind this photo. So actually, the fact is, this photo, we call it as a long exposure photography. And in this photography, we keep the shutter of our camera to be open for a second for a more time compared to the normal photography. So I'll tell you more about this. So stay tuned. Welcome back. So we were talking about long exposure photography. So in for to do this photography, you need um, two things. Number one is camera, and number two is steady tripod. We'll go outside and we'll get some really good long exposure photography. Let's see what we will get.
Hey, I have reached early to the place, so actually I have to wait till it will become dark. So I'll show you the place where I'll shoot long exposure. So that clock tower I have to shoot tonight. It's some long exposure shot, and I'll show you some symmetry. Look at this symmetry. Isn't it cool? So actually I'm waiting for the night where I can got some good light rays. So still I have to wait for I think 1 hour till it become dark. So actually yeah, so we'll wait till then we'll take till then we will take some time-lapse shot, and yes, we have to wait till it become dark. So stay tuned. Okay, now it has become dark, but there is a problem, and the problem is I thought of taking long exposure of this clock tower, but the problem is few months back here a cyclone occurred, the Amphan, which destroyed a small part of this clock tower. So okay, fine, anyway I'll take what I have come for. But actually the light is not working on the clock tower. If I have to show you, then you can see see, it's the clock is actually dark. That part close, so that we won't get. So anyways, the other thing, I will get some long exposure shot. Let's see what will
These
happen.
my daddies, they get hurt.
The photos which I got is good, really good, but I thought of, getting more better images, but due to some circumstances here and there, I got some good photos. It is really good. You might be like it. I liked it. So I'll share with you some of the photos here. So let's jump to them. So here is the first image. This image I took from the bridge which I showed you. That bridge, it was just, sun was settling down, sun was just below the horizon, and the, you can't say blue hour, or the sunlight was enlightening the sky with so diffuse light. So it was really good. Let's jump to the second photo. So the second photo is this. Clock tower will be more enlightened, but yeah, somehow I thought of, as I saw in the images on Google, but unfortunately it was not. It was under construction. It is still under construction. So okay, anyway, I got good long exposure here. A guy came in the frame, but okay, I'm fine with it. It doesn't matter. Still, image looks really good. Jump to the another photo. So again here, I just changed the angle from every photograph to see which photo will come good or better from the previous one. So I got this one, and this is also good. Vehicle was stand there. I focused on this clock tower, and both side you can see the vehicles are moving. So I got the light rails. So yes, that was really good. Now jumping to the fourth one, it's a really simple one. I tried to get the light trails with some reflection. So there was a muddy water, and I tried to get the reflection of the light trails in that water. So yeah, I tried, and the outcome is this. I like this. It can be more better. It can be better, but still, according to that situation, it is fine. So jumping to the next one, this image I got from the same bridge. So light trails of both lane. Vehicles were going to and fro. So I just mount my camera on the Gorilla Pod and keep it there for, I think it was for 10-second exposure. So I got really good light trails. The last one is this image. I just focus on the single lane rather than focusing on both lane in this image, because there was too much wire there, on the divider side. So to avoid this, I took the single lane only. I could have get rid of those wires on the Photoshop, but still I try to minimize my post-processing work to getting good or correct image outside only, in camera only. So these were the photos which I took tonight. Hope you have learned something new today. Without further ado, I'll conclude my video here. Hope you learned something, and if you learn something new, hit the like button and do subscribe the channel. It will help my channel to grow, and I'll come up with some more content every time. So on every Sunday at 8 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time, I'll upload a new video. So hope you won't miss any of my uploads. So hit the subscribe button. It doesn't matter, just a red button you have to hit the subscribe, not a single penny you have to pay. So it's free. You should do it. So without further ado, I'll conclude myself here only. I won't take much of time, even I am feeling very sleepy. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.